Would you like a map, sir?
Yes, I would.
Okay.
Thank you.
Very good. We hope you enjoy.
You guys have a short SkyVan?
Yes, we have two of them.
What we do, how we do it.
It's mostly doing VFR, right?
It's doing great. Yeah, it was great. Hello. You like a little squeezy thing, man?
He knows.
I've been here for about 7 years now.
7 years.
Yeah.
What type of instruments do you guys have? 6-pack?
One
Where do you
side
guys-
has an Aspen, the other side is 6-pack.
Aspen?
Garmin 430.
Oh, yeah, that's
See
right
that
there.
there if you want to take a look.
You want to ride? That's what I said too.
You can see it on the side. If you just take a look at that.
What's an Aspen?
A little
GPS?
flight display. It's your attitude, your heading.
Primary flight display.
Okay. Sure.
Oh, I see. It's a little tiny thing, huh?
Yes.
One, so like it, cause like I fly this one 6-pack. My girlfriend flies all the fancy new equipment and whatnot. Like G1000. I have my first time flying there. And I couldn't. I was like,
Yeah, it takes a little getting used to. The Twin Otter over there is newly refurbished. It's got the Garmin 950, so 3 screens. It's really nice.
There used to be a lot of those in service to the commuter airlines, too.
Yeah, I just had a guy pass through here and was talking about, he flew him in the Grand Canyon.
Oh, yeah, Scenic. Scenic Airways.
Scenic Airways, yeah.
See, it's got the gear shift up there on the steering column.
Yeah.
Low and super low.
It turns it.
What's up, buddy?
Done everything. Yeah. And then he goes, no. What we do.
This one, is this new? I was here 4 years ago, and I just seem to remember these are.
Well, and
Well, this is a Hughes 500 constructed by Howard Hughes. Now they call it MD 500. This specific ship is a D model, 420 horsepower, and we use it for small areas for liquid
Spraying
duct
pesticides.
spraying liquid treating. Yeah,
And what is the engine in this?
it's an Ellison 250 C20 engine,
Allison turboprop.
turbo engine. Yeah.
Is there anything else that uses this engine?
Oh yeah,
Something-
there's a lot of aircraft using it, jet rangers, and they even have it in airplanes too. And in the other helicopter over there in the Bell 47, we have a Rolls-Royce Ellison 250 C47. So that's got 650 horsepower. Originally from Austria.
Good day, mate.
Thanks. Not Australia. Not Australia. Austria, in the middle of the Alps.
We were just there.
Yeah.